Hello guys, welcome to Manual Education. Today in this video, we will talk about CMAT 2023, how to crack logical reasoning section, tips and tricks. We'll also talk about the exam highlights. The logical reasoning section of CMAT is usually of easy to moderate difficulty level. One can score well in this section if there is enough practice of solving a variety of reasoning questions. Good score in logical reasoning depends on the understanding of the questions, the logic and pattern behind it. Also, one needs to have a clear understanding of which questions require what type of approach. Just like every puzzle is unique and requires a specific approach. So guys, before we dive into the video, we have an important announcement to put forward. All the MBA entrance related videos will be available only on Manure MBA entrance channel, be it exam updates, latest notification, preparation strategies, live workshops, paper analysis, and a lot more. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button to get notified with all the latest updates available on Manure MBA entrance channel. Also, you all can see a glimpse of these if you follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, and join our Telegram channel as well. Also, guys, we have launched the batches for MBA entrance for CAT, CMAT, MBACET, SNAP, and MAT, and other entrance exams as well. All you have to do is call on 8828581455 if you wish to join our live or online class. For classroom coaching, guys, we are Mumbai based. You all can visit our centers at Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, and Thane. Our Pune center is also coming soon, so stay tuned for this as well. Also, guys, you all get access to video lectures, mock tests, books, mentorship strategy, and a lot more to ace your entrance exam in the very first attempt. Now, let's check out CMAT 2023 exam highlights of logical reasoning section. Logical reasoning section of CMAT 2023 exam will contain 20 questions in MCQ format. Each question will carry 4 marks for the right attempt and -1 mark for the wrong attempt. The difficulty level of CMAT logical reasoning section is usually easy to moderate. Out of 20 questions, about 18 right attempts can be considered as a good attempt in this section of CMAT. To crack logical reasoning, one must first understand nature of questions. This section has no formula to memorize and no theorem to understand. You need to solve questions based on the data available. Now, the most common form of logical reasoning question is series completion. Basically, a set of pictures which will be displayed, and the candidate will have to choose which picture out of the given option complete the series. Now, let's discuss about CMAT logical reasoning tips and tricks. Logical reasoning questions in CMAT may look unfamiliar and confusing in the first glance. So read the questions slowly. Do not look at the answers options first, as it will be of no help if you don't understand the questions first. It may in fact confuse you even more. In the visual reasoning questions, look closely at the pictures one by one to figure out the common theme. This will help in deciding which of the 4 given options is the right answer. While solving a question, take notes of the suggestive words like including, only, other, than, and unless. Also pay attention to prefixes such as non, un, this, etc. While reading logical reasoning questions, write down the given data and important points. Make it a habit while practicing the questions as well. Make sure you're indulging all these tips in your practice sessions as well. Practice as many CMAT mock tests as possible. Make sure you practice a good variety of questions as well from each topic of logical reasoning so that no question comes as a surprise in the CMAT exam. In the logical reasoning section, time management is the key. You get about 1.8 minutes to each section. To understand a puzzle statements or number series, a minute may fall short if you don't have enough practice. So practice sample questions in a time-based manner. Develop the skill of thinking logically. Read a passage and attempt to break it down into a logical flow or structure to understand the series or events. This will help you understand the questions really easily and it will be in a simplified manner. Practice brain teasers to improve logical thinking. It is a good exercise for the brain as well as interesting way of preparation as well. So guys, these were the basic tips and tricks which you all can include in your preparation for logical reasoning section, and this will definitely help you out to understand the questions and make your preparations even simpler and less complex. Also guys, you all can watch CMAT 2023 logical reasoning expected paper based on past year paper analysis. This video will be really helpful for y'all to practice questions from this section and lots of information with regards to crack logical reasoning section. Also guys, the link for mock test study material, pre-recorded video lectures are mentioned in the description. Do check that out as well, and also share this video with all your friends who are preparing for CMAT 2023. Until then, see you in the next video.